What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, and today we got Rocktavore. Yeah, we got Rocktavore. Before I start this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So on the back here, we got the chip layer and a D81 disc and a TSP04M driver. Like, I seen these two drive pieces on the first series of Beyblade Burst. I really think it's gonna be the end of the Beyblade Burst series. I hope not, but if it is, then oh well. Then we're just going to continue with a new series. But let's unbox this. Okay. Okay, that was an accident right there. Let me pick it up. Okay, so here it is. Yeah, I thought I lost the launcher. There's the Ripper launcher right here. There's the launcher. Just the layer. Yeah, okay. There's the layer. It actually looks bigger. It actually looks bigger than the rest of them. Like, let me pull up one of them. Yeah, it's a little bigger than the rest of them. Yeah, it's a little bigger than the rest of them. Let me see if it's the size of Brave Valkyrie's layer. Nope, not even close. But yeah, when I first got this in the mail, it looks so big, the layer. But yeah, there's the layer. Let me take out the rest of them so we can put the parts together. This. Okay, we got it out. Now let's put it together. But it's pretty tall for a Beyblade. It's kind of taller than it's a little bit taller than Orb something. I just totally forgot about it. But yeah, it's taller than Orb something. Majiggy, I don't care. But yeah, it's pretty tall for a stamina type Bay. And it looked like it's gonna lose a lot of stamina. But I do like the how they added metal and how the driver is designed and all. But yeah, it's pretty good, alright. Let's try it out. So let's put it. So we're gonna do a quick little battle with my two bays I already showed you on my other videos. Curse Satan and Colossal Helios. Let's get started. So Curse Satan versus Rocktavore. So let's get started. 2, 1, go. Got pretty good stamina in the stadium. Okay, that don't count, so we're gonna try again. 3, 2, 1. I don't know who won that, but we're gonna move on with the next battle because I'm trying to wrap it up here and all. So the next battle is gonna be against Colossal Helios and Rocktavore. So let's get started. 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1. So this battle's going pretty good, alright. Let's see who wins. Okay, Rocktavore's next point again. So we're gonna wrap it up here, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and see you next time.